Have you ever thought about starting your own windowsill herb garden? Imagine the convenience of having fresh herbs within an arm's reach, the accessibility of a garden without needing a vast outdoor space, and the sheer joy of witnessing your own herbs grow. Windowsill herb gardens are a fantastic way to incorporate greenery into your home, and they offer the bonus of enhancing your culinary endeavors with homegrown flavors. With just a few simple steps, you too can have a flourishing windowsill herb garden. To get started, you'll need a few essential items. First, pots for planting, then soil for nourishment. Seeds or seedlings are your future herbs, and a sunny windowsill is their home. Each item plays a vital role in this green endeavor. Once you've gathered these materials, you're ready to start planting. Now comes the fun part, planting your herbs. Begin by filling your pots with soil, leaving some room at the top. Next, gently place your seeds or seedlings into the soil and cover them lightly. Now, position your pots on the windowsill where they'll get plenty of sunlight. Remember, herbs love the sun. Don't forget to water your herbs regularly, but be careful not to overwater. With proper care, you'll see your herbs start to sprout in no time. A thriving herb garden needs regular care and attention. Watering should be done when the top inch of soil feels dry, but take care not to overwater. Harvest your herbs regularly to promote new growth, ideally in the morning when the essential oils are most potent. Should you encounter pests or diseases, act swiftly with natural remedies like neem oil, or even a spray of water to dislodge insects. With regular care, your windowsill herb garden will provide a constant supply of fresh herbs for your kitchen. Starting a windowsill herb garden is a rewarding and enjoyable project. With just a few steps, you can reap the benefits of fresh herbs at your fingertips. Go ahead, give it a try. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic gardening tips. Happy gardening!